Alright, I want everyone to turn around and wave goodbye before the skippers are bye everybody! You'll never see them again. Welcome to the world famous jungle cruise. My name is Skipper Jeff. I'll be your skipper for the next 5 hours. For your safety, a few safety reminders. Please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat at all times. And parents, please supervise your children. Now, if you drop anything in the water, don't worry. Just raise your hand. I'll raise mine and we'll wave goodbye to it together. On your right, we're passing the Temple of the Forbidden Eye. And further ahead, the Temple of the Forbidden H. We're also going to the Amazon rainforest. We're in 365 days a year. Sometimes it rains every day. Straight ahead, ancient Cambodian shrine. There'll be ancient Cambodian shriners. But first, on the left, Bengal tiger. Now, Bengal tigers can jump up to 20 feet. We're 15 feet away, so we should jump right over it. I was told there were alligators in the water. That is not an alligator, that's a croc. That's Ginger. She usually snaps. Well, you're all on today, folks. The Indian elephant herd is out. This is unheard of. Now, feel free to stare at them and take as many photos as you wish because they all have their trunks on. This is what happens if you stay in the shower too long and turn into an elephant. This almost happened to me one time. I'm just kidding. I don't shower. Now, a lot of people think that's water coming out of the elephant's trunk over there, but it's not. There's an elephant on the right side of the boat. He looks like, yes, he's going to soak the boat down as we go by. He's going to come back in a second. He's coming back up. Get down. You're all going to get wet. You're all going to get wet. Get down. Just kidding. He forgot to pack his trunk. A little dry humor. Well, looks like the monkeys are taking over the camp. If you're wearing any yellow, don't make any sort of movements like a banana. If I clear feeling, they go aim over it. Now, if you look to your left, over here to your left, you're going to see absolutely nothing. Straight ahead is the world famous Schweitzer Falls. I don't want anyone to worry about those falls right now because we're going to go over them later on. Now, as we exit the Congo River, we're about to enter the Nile River. The Nile River is 4,000 miles long, making it the longest river in Africa. In fact, it goes on for miles and miles and miles and miles and miles. And if you don't believe me, you're in denial. On your left, the last of the African bull elephants. You'll never see another one again. Wait a minute. Does anyone know an aardvark again? No? That's an aardvark then. You can tell those zebras are really, really old. They're still in black and white. Now, would you look at that? Isn't that sweet? Would you look at that family of lions watching over the sleeping zebra? The zebra's neck is twisted backwards. The his eyes are closed. He looks that tired. I think we should let that zebra rest in peace. If you don't look to your right, you're not going to see Skipper Felix being chased by a rhino. If you don't see this, I don't have to do any paperwork about it. I think this is Skipper Felix's first day of work and his last day at work. Now, I want to warn everyone right now, I want to warn you that the further we go in the jungle today, the worse my jokes get. Oh, I can't believe it's hippos. I was not expecting this at all. Well, at least the hippos all wiggling their ears. Now, I've been told when hippos wiggle their ears like that, it's a sign of friendship, but of course I also think it's backwards. That hippo's going to capsize the boat. I'm going to fire some warning shots to scare them away. I want everybody to cover your ears. Cover your ears, everybody. Hey! Well, I just saved everyone's life aboard this boat. You're welcome. You're welcome. I want to call everyone's attention now to this large rock formation on the right side of the boat. Many people take that rock for granted. I think it's one of our boulder attractions. My sentiments exactly.
Oh, yes.
Straight ahead, that skipper Carl driving that boat. You know, his microphone's not even plugged in on that boat, so no one gets any of his jokes. Very sad for him. I was told any monkey can do my job. That is an ape. Well, here's one of our boats lost a shipment of butterflies on the left bank. Not to worry, butterflies aren't what they used to be anyway, caterpillars. And now the moment many of you might have been waiting for. The amazing, the colossal, the stupendous. It is the eighth wonder of the world. It is the backside of water! Woo! 028! 028! 028! I'm sorry. Periodically I like to make chemistry jokes. I have some jokes about oxygen and potassium, but they're just okay. My boss says the fish are lurking in the water too. Let's see if they wake up. Oh, they're waking up. Yes. Rudder tackles on. It's on the right side of the boat. And I think they're going to wake up on the left side of the boat here as well. Yes. Water just jumps right out of the water. Straight ahead there's a boa sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. Now I've been told boas get to 500 pounds at one time. I personally find that hard to swallow. I do. Last stop on the Jungle Cruise, Trader Sam's gift shop. Your last place for a souvenir in the jungle. Now does everyone see that little monkey taking photographs? A lot of people think we pay that monkey. That's just ridiculous. He works for the exposure. Well, a few safety reminders before we head back to civilization. Please remain seated and keep your hands on the seat and legs beside the boat all times, and parents, please supervise your children.